Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor Mahadevappa. I have taken MMPC-007 Business Communication question paper of December 2021 of IGNOU, and I have tried to take one of the questions and answer that with 560 words. The question is, why is business communication important for organizations? Explain. Here I have said in the first para that communication is important in an organization and in a business enterprises, and we are likely to have stakeholders who are going to interact with us with various means of communication, starting from emails, letters, business reports, and proposals, and so on, wherein each of us are going to share the information. And as such, it is a primary step for an organization and as well the individuals. And the organization is a group of individuals, and that being there need to be a consistent interaction with each of the groups of individuals in order to see that the organization is going to be able to do what it's supposed to do. And as far as the importance of communication, I've just said that the proper and efficient operation could be done with effective and dynamic coordination and among the departments, and in order to see that the products are sold in the with effective communication to derive the effective operation of the organization with its stakeholders. The communication develops coordination and cooperation while exchanging thoughts, information required by each of the stakeholders. The organization has got different departments and they need to interact depending on their competency in their respective areas and ensure that each of the communication that they are going to have is understood universally without giving any sort of bias interpretation. The exchange and flow of information amongst employees and superiors will definitely have a working environment which is conducive for better management of their ideas, messages, emotions, course of action, and suggestions among them. Effective communication plays essential role in the effective implementation of the plan to its results, and communication is important for the execution of targets that are there. And business organization in a society has to find its place. Therefore, organizations like government companies, corporate offices, semi-government offices, MNCs, and other establishments are operating in the society, and they have public relations personnel also to establish their identity in the society. So modern business is competitive and information is important to challenge the competition. The information collected is passed on to concerned individuals to take steps and face the challenges or problems of competition. Big organizations have to adopt system of delegation and decentralization. By adopting the procedure of delegation and decentralization of activities or powers through effective communication. Job satisfaction through communication results in achieving productivity by employees, and they will be very happy that they are taken as one among the team members where together each achieve more, and he can express his skills, role, and efficiency, his expectation through effective communication and as a team member. Each individual have silent desires to participate in management, and an efficient manager can perhaps create an environment where his employees are given provision for coming with their creative ideas to make decision making process a success factor. Business activities of a superior are performed through effective communication and procedure is important for a manager, wherein each of the people who are involved there are able to understand their tasks, duties, and responsibilities in particular way where they will be able to organize to achieve goals, to communicate and encourage, to measure the task, to develop a personality, and so on. Managers with above activities will be able to undertake their responsibilities successfully. Their information conveyed in writing, verbal interaction, email, WhatsApp messages depends on their communication skills, ability, and process they have been associated with. The success of every manager depends on the process of effective communication and his ability to write, listen, read, and think to establish himself as a successful and effective manager. I am very sure that the students will be able to examine themselves of the importance of communication and as well the suitability of answering the question in a limited time that is given to them to answer. I wish you all the best.